the energies. And let's go side step, 2 steps to the side and 2 steps on the other side. All right. Now, right foot back, side and come back. Left side and come back. Right, go. Same step, side and back, side and back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Forward, back, forward, back. And goes back and forward, 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 back and forward. Good job. Take 2 more walks. Now let's use our arms, shoulder joints. Breathe in, breathe out. Take the heel back, knees not coming up here. Inhale, knee back, knee, don't bring the heel back like that. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good job. Beautiful, so good. Very good. Inhale, exhale. And now, and hands on your waist, knee up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
ਨਾ ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਦੱਸ ਆ ਚੇਅਰ ਖਾਲੀ ਹੈ ਲੈ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਚੇਅਰ ਚੱਕਣੀ ਆ ਕਮਾਲ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ
Last one, good job. Now, still push your hips back and we just squat down. Just bend your knees, push your hips and just come up to here only. There's no need to go further down. And listen to your body. You can hold the chair if you want. Hold the chair and do it. And listening to your body wherever you can reach that. If you will go further down, you can do that. But always be careful. Be careful. Take care of yourself. Only just do only this much. Only this much. Try not to bend forward. Just sit down. Let go to bending forward. Up and down. Up and down. You can hold. You want? Hold. And come up. Do down and hold. Take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up. One more time. Hold. Inhale and come up. All right. Legs wide open. Here. The hands. Hold the hands here. Not arms. Don't move. We focus on our legs. Hip, knee joint, hip joint, ankle joint. And hold the hand. Now bend your right knee and left leg is all straight. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Focus on the straight leg. If you straighten this will bend. Breathe out. Breathe in. You can hold the chair in front. Always hold the chair. Have it comfortable. You do it gently, breathe in, breathe out. Yes, so seniors, young seniors, middle type of senior and super senior like me. Very good. Nice. And last one, okay. Right foot forward here. And focus on the The right foot is right straight up foot and the left foot is at a 45-degree angle. Hips are towards the knee. It's not like this, it's like this. Inhale. Push the chest out. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. We are doing with the breath. We get the benefit. Breathe out. 2 more. Inhaling, come up. Switch the legs. Same position. Same position. Breathe out. Breathe in. Even gentle movements are beneficial. You get all the benefit even if you are gently moving it. You don't have to go too deep, but you are moving, you are breathing. And let's do one more time, last one, yes, good job. So we are coming up now on our chest and lungs. And we go all the way up. So feet are about hip distance apart. Inhaling up. Open the arms, look up. Bring your arms together. Exhale down. Inhaling up. Slowly we are moving. Inhale, open the arms. Arms together. And breathe out, down. Inhaling up. And exhaling. Inhaling all the way up and you're opening your arms and arms together. Exhale. And we do the last time now. Inhale. And exhale. We are now on our upper body. Let's spread your feet wider than your hips. And arms stretched out. Side stretch. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out on the other side. Feel the stretch of your lungs. Feeling your lungs as well. Moving your spine. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Last. And we move our spine. We inhale up and bend back, exhaling bend forward. Listening to your body, do accordingly and hold the hands up, bend back, exhaling bend forward. Wherever you reach, up to the knee or wherever you are comfortable, exhale down, inhale up and bend back, exhaling bend forward, breathing in up, bending back, and bending forward, exhaling. Inhaling, we are moving very gently. Feel the movement, feel the stretches. Main focus on yourself. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale all the way up and bend back and exhale forward. There's no jerking. Very smoothly you are moving up and down. Exhale. Your mind is focused on yourself. You are taking care of yourself. Exhale. Last one. That's good. Now all the way up and bring your arms down. And now your legs are wide open. Wide open. Listening to your body wherever if you can do this much, that's fine. You can widen, that's fine. Arms stretched out. First rotate your arms. Then bend down. Exhale up. Rotate your arms. Exhale down. Inhale up. Rotate your arms. exhale down, inhale up, rotate your arms, exhale down, inhale up, rotate your arms, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Last time, inhale up, rotate, exhale down, and bring both the hands in the center. Drop your head. Drop your head wherever you are. Drop your head, arms head down, hang down, hang down. And slowly raise your head up. Rosy head up. Bring your feet together. Quietly take your seats, no talking. Focus on yourself. Let the energy flow. Let the energy flow. We have created the energy and quietly sit down, please. Focus on yourself. Catch up with the breath. Quietly sitting. Try not to talk. Let the energy flow. Focus on yourself. There is a shortness of breath. So catch up with your breath. Catch up with your breath. Feel the circulation, warmth in your body. You have tried to move the joints, all the connective tissues, muscles, organs. Let the breath settle down quietly. We are doing a yoga program today, and now as the breath settles down, try to relax your body, relaxing your body, and we do one pranayam. This pranayam is called Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. And with this one, I will guide you how you start and how you continue with this breath. Many people everybody knows, but still people are not comfortable. I have seen, they don't follow, they just keep doing whatever they know. Just take the method should be right, then you get the full benefit if the method is right. So first of all, for breathing exercises, you should be comfortable, keep the spine straight, neck straight, and sit away from the back of the seat so that your spine the whole weight is on your sits bone. On your sits bone, because when sometimes you sit on the floor, there is no back seat. There is no back to rest. So at least we are lucky that we have got a seat, a chair, and we can still sit with your spine up. Make the hand, now this is so the left hand, make Vayu Mudra. With the left hand, make Vayu Mudra. Vayu Mudra is index finger, tip of the index finger at the base of the thumb. And press it with the thumb. 3 fingers are up there. Left hand, bring the hand down on the thigh. Left hand, bring it down. Bring the hand down, palms upwards. Right hand, we'll use the right hand for the Anulom Vilom. Close the right nostril with your thumb. Inhale from the left. Long breath in. Close left. Exhale from the right nostril. Take a long deep breath in through the right nostril. Close the right nostril. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left.
Yes.
Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right and switch. Exhale. Inhale, close 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 and switch. Keep on doing. You know the method now. There are only 3 actions. To exhale, inhale, and then close it. And then switch other side. Make sure that exhale and inhale from the same side. This is a normal Anulom Vilom. We have variations, but if you keep doing this pranayama, you get all the benefits. This is a very powerful pranayama, and it heals you, it improves your heart condition, your mental condition, the whole systems in the body, even the skin, all the things are improved because you are getting vital energy in the body. You are improving your circulation, your heart, nervous system, and you are getting the benefit, you are energizing yourself and healing yourself. Toxins are throwing out, you're throwing out all the toxins. Keep on doing a few more rounds. When you finish your cycle, exhaling from the left, you will bring your hand down and keep the eyes closed and take two normal breaths. Now we do the next pranayama. This is called Ujjayi pranayama. This is very beneficial for your throat, your vocal cords and all that. Because also it's good for to activate your on the throat area and nostril nasal area, and you prepare yourself for any sinuses disease or viral infection and all that. If you keep all these areas active, sinuses active. Start now, but in this one what it is, you have to inhale through the nostrils, closing your throat tightly. Throat tightly. As you breathe in, there will be a irritation in your throat and there will be squeaking sound also. Like if you close your nostrils and you inhale. Like this. You can feel all this activation there. Maybe you will feel the irritation there. So if you keep on doing it regularly, you're activating all these tissues and nostrils here. And the immune system is getting better. And now the full method is, this was just a way how you breathe. Now the full pranayama is, I will show you once and then you can follow me. And in this one, first you take a deep breath in. Bring your chin down, hold the breath, kumbha. Raise your head up, close right, exhale left, or there around. So we have to hold the breath, it's called kumbha, where you antar kumbha. So we are holding inward. So take a deep breath in through the nostril. Hold nostrils, exhale left, all the way around. Let's do 2 more times. Start inhaling. Hold. Raise your head up, close right, exhale left. One more time, last time. Start. Take a long deep breath in, feeling, closing your throat tightly. And bring your chin down, hold, look up. Hand up, close right, exhale left. And you massage your throat, massage your throat. Massage your throat. Good. Let's do one more pranayama for your facial organs, facial muscles. And this one is like this. Again, I'll show you that. In this one, what you do, you bring your tongue out and make a hole in the tube, yes, sorry, and this one. And then you breathe in through the mouth. When your lungs are full, fill in your cheeks, puff out your cheeks. Then again hold. Then you raise your head up, exhale through the nose. Again, this is, you will feel the pressure in your cheeks, in your teeth, in your gums, in your eyes, in your ears, even your mind, brain. Sometimes if the pressure is too much, you might feel dizzy. Be careful if you feel that way. Okay? This is very good for our facial organs and muscles. You don't have to go to the beautician. Now let's do it. We'll do 3 times. Start inhaling through the mouth, sucking the air in. Head up. Exhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. 2 more times. And last time. This is for our facial organs and muscles. And this can be done. All these exercises and pranayama should be done empty stomach, especially. And now we'll do some movement for our legs. Now stretch your legs out. Focus on the toes. Knee on the toes. Squeeze your toes and stretch your toes. Focus on your toes. Squeeze the toes. Stretch the toes. बैठ की उंगलियां अंगूठा इसको मोड़िए और पूरा खोल दीजिए. Squeeze the toes, stretch the toes. Squeeze the toes, stretch the toes. Only the toes first. Squeeze and stretch. Inhale, exhale. Now hold feet. Push your toes out. And push the toes in, push the heels out. Push the toes out, inhale. Push the heels out, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Focus on your ankle joint and your thigh muscle, quadriceps, and the hamstrings under the knee. You feel the stretches, you're activating ankle joint, and your legs long muscles. They are the longest muscles here. Inhale, exhale. Toes out, heels out. Toes out, heels out. Toes out, heels out. Bring your feet down. Now right foot forward, and we are moving only the ankle joint. Ankle joint, remain focused on the ankles. Try to do more exercises on your lower legs, your lower limbs, because we need to walk. We want to walk till the last breath. Do other way. Do the other way. We start losing all the strength in our legs. Bring it to foot down, the left side, circle. And you know too, sometimes what happens, you start doing that. Keep them together, knees together, then move. And the other side. Try to move wide circles. No need to do hurry. Take your time. Make wide circle as you can. Very good. And now move forward in your legs, the chair. Spread your legs wide open, whatever you can. Comfortably. Heels are touching the floor. And move feet in and out. Move the feet in and out. The movement goes to your hip joint. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. And you are moving the hip joint. Always give yourself a stretch. Instead of going fast, just give yourself a stretch. Feel the stretch. And last one. Maybe I am a senior, that's why I take my time. So I take my time to do that with the awareness. Bring your feet and knees together, hands on your knees, do butterfly. Open, close. Open, close. Give yourself a stretch and then push them back. Stretch and back. And last one. Now it's wide open. Push them in and then out. Push them in and out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And last one. There. Now try to lift one foot from under the knee and just move your leg up and down. And also here, you can just move your, wherever you are, you can just stay here also, or here, or you can do all the way up. Make a circle. Other way, be careful, you have got the knees replacement, be careful, you all know your own body, be careful. Other side, wherever you are, then you can just stay here, here, all the way, now up, wherever you are comfortable, breathe in, breathe out. Make circle. Other way. Down. Inhale up, exhale down. Feel the strength the side of your neck. Exhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Center. Now drop your head forward. Make circles. Turn your head to the right shoulder, back, left shoulder and forward. Breathe out here. And inhale while circling. Exhale as you bend forward. Breath is very important. Always keep breathing. And last round here, the other way, go other side. And center here. Come to the center. Now focus on our eyes. Look in the front. Look up toward the ceiling and the floor. Up to the ceiling and the floor. Only the eyeballs move. Now look to the right and the left. Go to extreme right as far as you can. And the extreme left as far as you can. Now make circles. Look up to the ceiling, then side and floor and the side. Make a big wide circle with your eyes. Wide circle. Change direction. Now close your eyes very tight and wide open. Very tight and wide open. Tight and wide open. Now cup your eyes, place the palms on your eyes. 2 seconds. Look in the dark. Look into the dark. Or you can keep your eyes closed. Alright. Bring your hands down. We'll do Brahmi Pranayama now. Brahmi Pranayama is very good, beneficial for our nervous system, for your brain. So as we exhale, try to make a sound, then you feel the vibration. We close our eyes and ears and inhale and exhale in a humming sound. We'll do 5 breaths, long breaths. Close your eyes and ears, long breath in. Hands down, keep your eyes closed, hands are in Jnana Mudra, and we'll chant Om again for 3 times, again with a long deep breath. And just relax into your chair. You can stretch your legs out. We'll do 2 minutes of Shavasana. Although we are sitting on a chair, but still we can let go. Relax your whole body. And you can stretch your legs out. Place the hands on your thighs. Fingers are open. Hands are open. And there is a distance between your 2 feet. And you can sink into the seat of the chair and into the back of the chair. Just relax, let go. Slowly and slowly bring your awareness towards your legs. Start relaxing your toes, soles of your feet, ankles, lower legs, knees, thighs, all around your thighs, and the hip joint. Just let go, let the whole weight sink down, feel your heels are sinking down, and the whole weight is coming down onto the seat of the chair. Inhaling, exhaling, relax your abdominal area, chest area. Let all the weight of your abdomen and chest sink into the back of the body, into your spine. Feel the weight of the upper body into the lower back, middle back, and upper back. Let go, ground yourself. Focus on your arms, relax your fingers, palms of your hands, back of your hands, wrist, lower arms, elbows, upper arms, and the shoulder joint. Let go. Your hands are relaxed. Nothing in your hands. Let go, ground yourself. Relax your throat area, sides and back of your neck. Focus on the back of your head, crown of your head, forehead, and the temples. The whole skull. Relax your precious brain, mind, relax. Soften your forehead, your eyes, cheeks, your ears, lower jaw, and your mouth. Keep your teeth gently apart. Relax your tongue. Observe yourself now. Your breath has become very soft, silent, and long. Few more breaths, let go. Gently move your fingers, wiggle your toes, move your arms, move your legs, and gently sit up. You will put the hands together in a prayer position. We say a prayer. May all be happy.
May all be happy.
May all be healthy.
May all be healthy.
May all enjoy prosperity.
May all enjoy prosperity.
May May none suffer. Thank you, everybody.